Guys, you may have heard that the real estate market's hot, but prices really are extreme. I'm either experiencing or hearing about stories like this almost every day, but check this out. So we're working on getting a property sold that the last two recent sales for this similar townhouse were $235,000 and $240,000. Same floor plan, same neighborhood, same street. We talked about the attributes of this particular property, but more importantly, I worked with the seller to explain just how much demand there is in the market. There isn't anything on paper that says that this property is worth more than $245 or $250. It has a few upgrades, it has a few little things that the other two sales didn't, but that's about the max on paper. We priced it at $275,000. Doesn't make any sense on paper. There's nothing in the data that would support that price. But from the demand side, I pointed out that it really does. I think now it's within 72 hours. We've had 3 offers, 2 of them cash. The seller was thrilled and was close to taking a contract at $265,000. About 3 or 4 hours after that was almost put together, we got a really panicky phone call from someone that absolutely had to have it, and they're offering full price, close in 10 days. I'm seeing this happen in the $275,000 price point, $500,000, million. We've got one under contract for $2.5 million. Similar story there. A member of our team has one under contract for $4 million, setting a record. So in all price points, we're seeing this kind of demand. So very important if you're even remotely thinking about selling real estate right now, or if you have a friend or a family member that lives anywhere in the country. I mean, maybe this is just something you can help them. Even if you're not selling, anybody you know that's selling, make sure that they're talking with an agent that understands the demand in the market, not just what the recent sales are. An agent that really understands the dynamics of supply and demand. Maybe it's an agent who's seen this before, who's been around in the 2004-2005 market. There's a lot we learned in that market that we can help advise sellers on in this market. So please guys, if you're thinking about selling real estate in this market, meaning this time over the next few months, make sure that you're working with someone who has a real understanding of supply and demand and just how extreme the demand is, because there's a huge difference between selling for $250,000 and $275,000 or $1.5 million and $1.75 million. So hope this helps you guys. We'll talk to you next time.